Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed what is median and how to find the median. In this video we will learn what is mode and how to find out the mode. Today our topic is mode. What is mode? Mode is the most repeated value in the data. I repeat, mode is the most repeated value in the data. Value that is repeating the most is the mode of this data. The table given shows the number of people who visited the museum in the first 6 months of the year. Here months are given and here the number of people who have visited the museum is given. In January, 26 people visited the museum. In February, there are 30 people who visited the museum. In March, 15. April, 21. May, 30 and June, 28 people visited the museum. First of all, we will arrange the data in an order. So, smallest value in this data is 15. We will write 15 first. Then it comes, then it comes 21. 21 is the next value. After 21, what will be the next value? Yes, you can find out from the given data. This is 26. After 26, it comes 28. And then it comes 30. As there are 2 times 30, so we will write it twice. Now we have arranged the data in the ascending order from smallest to the greatest. Now we will see which value is repeating the most. 15, 21, 26 and 28. These all are written once. Whereas if we see that there are 2 times 30. 1, 2. So what will be the mode? This is the most repeated value. And in this data this is 30. Because it is repeating twice. If there is no value repeated, then there will be no mode. Here our data has been given 110, 75, 100 and 156. What will be the mode? Think about it, students. What will be the mode in this data? First of all, we will arrange the data in an order. The smallest value is 75. So we will write 75 here. Then it comes 100. And after that, we will write 110. And then we will write the greatest value, that is 156. Now we have arranged the data in an ascending order from smallest to the greatest. Now we will find out the mode. Here if we see in the data there is no value that is repeating. So there will be no mode. There is no mode in this data. Here a data is given 15, 12, 12, 19, 12 and 15. So we will find out the mode. What will be the mode? First step is arranging the values in an order. The smallest value in this data is 12. So we will write 12 here. Then what will be the next value? Next value is also 12. Then it comes 12 because there are 3 times 12. Then it comes 15. And after that it comes 15 because there are 2 15s here. And then we will write the greatest value in this data, that is 19. Now we have arranged the data in an order. So what will be the mode in this data, students? Now you can easily find out. There is 112, 2 and 3. We can say that there are 3 12s. So this is the mode of this data because there are 2 15s and 1 19. So mode is 12. This is the most repeated value in this data. In this video we have discussed what is mode and how to find out the mode. In the next video we will learn what is range and how to find out the range. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.